Hey Divi Nation, welcome to another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new Interpreter Layout Pack we think you're going to enjoy. This Interpreter Layout Pack has a few special page layouts that will ease the process of designing any website in the language interpreter niche. It even has dedicated pages for showcasing services and a dedicated languages page, so companies can really easily feature languages offered and then explain individual services in style. The layouts are designed with warm, bright colors on a light background, which does give it a nice and clean professional vibe. So go ahead and check it out. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new Interpreter Layout Pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your website from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key. And then click Save Changes, and you'll have access to all those pre-made layouts without any problems. After that, you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. Let's go ahead and start by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select the option to choose a pre-made layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new Interpreter Layout Pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack here on the right. Select the one that you want and then go ahead and click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your pages with each of those corresponding pre-made layouts. And once you're finished, you're ready to go ahead and add a new primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to your WordPress dashboard and then navigate to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your new menu a name and then click Create Menu. Over here on the left, you'll see a list of all of the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them, then add them to the menu. There you can organize your menu items however you like under your menu structure area. And then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings and then Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, select the home page with the corresponding home page pre-made layout, and then go ahead and save changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Interpreter Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog, newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.